Welcome to an insightful journey through the world of PowerApps best practices. This session is divided into 8 steps, and each step will unravel the intricacies that transform ordinary apps into exceptional ones. Let's begin with the foundational step 1, naming conventions. An often overlooked yet essential aspect that shapes the very structure of your apps. We will start with general naming conventions. In general naming conventions, explore the 2 fundamental styles, Camel Case and Pascal Case. These seemingly small choices wield immense influence on your app's clarity and coherence. After understanding general naming convention, we will look into object naming conventions. In this step, we discover the art of naming screens, controls, and data sources. Unify your app's elements with purposeful and consistent nomenclature. Next, we will discuss about code naming conventions, where we will explore the world of well-structured code through meaningful variable and collection names. Watch as your code communicates intent effortlessly. As we move forward to step 2, we will learn the art of organizing object and code. Learn how to utilize groups, leverage the format text feature, and optimize control count for a cleaner canvas. We will also look into the sweet spot for your code. Understand the strategic placement that enhances both performance and readability. Every line of code finds its rightful home. Next, we will start looking into step 3, where we will unfold with general coding guidelines. Then we will explore essential practices like optimizing click targets, managing variables and collections, and mastering the art of nesting for clean, structured code. After that, we will move to learn about best practices for optimizing performance. That is step 4, where we will introduce the crucial aspect of optimizing for performance. From on-start code to delegable calls, delve into techniques that ensure your app runs seamlessly and efficiently. Then we will delve deeper into the realm of optimization. We will learn how to harness SQL optimization, differentiate between delegable and non-delegable calls, and embrace local collections for enhanced app speed. After that, we will learn about how to handle expensive calls, manage package size, and explore the importance of periodic app republishing. Your app's performance is your canvas. Moving on to step 5, we'll explore the world of app design. Here, we'll learn how to child relationships, make the most out of galleries, and adapt our design to different screen sizes and shapes. Step 6 introduces configuration values. Learn to create hidden configuration screens, optimize storage within Dataverse for apps, and explore the potential of custom APIs for app customization. Step 7 is all about mastering error handling and debugging. Toggle controls for smooth error management, convert a canvas control into a dynamic debug panel, and empower app makers with debugging tools. Our final step, step 8, focuses on documentation. Elevate your app's quality with comprehensive code comments and dedicated documentation screens. Make your app's logic crystal clear. So guys, see you in our upcoming sessions. We have an exciting lineup of sessions and events in the pipeline that are designed to delve even deeper into the topics that matter most to you. To ensure you never miss an update, we encourage you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for instant notifications, so you'll always be in the loop and ready to join the conversation. Thank you once again for being a part of this incredible community of learners and thinkers. Stay tuned for more to come.